How to clean gold jewelry. Have your favorite gold pieces lost their shine? That necklace your grandmother gave you, the ring you wear every day, or the bracelet you once couldn't stop showing off, all now looking a little dull, maybe even dirty? It happens to all of us. Over time, lotions, perfumes, sweat, and just everyday wear can leave your gold jewelry looking lifeless. But here's the good news, you don't need to take it to a jeweler or buy expensive cleaners to bring back that sparkle. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean your gold jewelry using simple ingredients you already have at home. We'll walk through step by step how to safely and gently restore the shine to your gold without damaging it. Whether it's real gold or gold-plated, you'll learn the tips and tricks that actually work, no harsh chemicals, no fancy equipment. Just easy, affordable cleaning that brings your jewelry back to life. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning with dish soap, cleaning with commercial gold cleaner or ammonia, what to avoid, how often to clean, and maintaining gold jewelry. Now, let's get started. How to clean gold jewelry at home. 1. Soak the jewelry in a bowl of warm water and dish soap for 15 minutes. 2. Scrub the jewelry gently with a soft bristled toothbrush. 3. Rinse your jewelry off with warm water. 4. Pat the jewelry dry with a lint-free microfiber towel or an old t-shirt. Method 1. Cleaning gold jewelry with dish soap. Number 1. Fill a bowl with warm water and a few drops of dish soap. It's best to use a small bowl instead of cleaning your gold jewelry in the sink, so you don't risk losing it down the drain. Fill the bowl with lukewarm tap water, then add in a few drops of regular dish soap and stir the solution together, explains Master Gemologist Appraiser Kenan Young. This method works for cleaning gold-plated jewelry, solid gold jewelry, and gold jewelry with gemstones. If your jewelry has gemstones, check to make sure none of them are loose before cleaning. If any of the gemstones seem wiggly, don't try to clean the jewelry on your own. Take it to a professional jeweler to be repaired and polished. Number 2. Soak your jewelry for 15 to 20 minutes in the soapy water. Leave your jewelry in the solution to break apart dirt and grime that has accumulated on the surface. Soaking your jewelry also helps remove debris and residue that's stuck inside crevices or underneath gemstones. Number 3. Scrub the jewelry with a soft bristled toothbrush to break apart grime. Young specifically suggests using a baby toothbrush since they're very gentle on the gemstones and the metal, but any soft bristled toothbrush will work. Dip the bristles of the toothbrush into the soapy water and gently scrub the surface of your jewelry, focusing on any tight nooks and crannies where dirt, oils, and debris may get caught. If you're cleaning gold rings or earrings with gemstones, scrub the underside of the stones to help restore their shine and sparkle. Number 4. Rinse your jewelry with warm water. After you remove all of the dirt and grime from the gold surface, dip it into a bowl filled with hot water to rinse off any residual soap or dirt. Swish the jewelry around in the water and gently shake off the excess when you're finished. Avoid rinsing your jewelry under running water from your faucet because you could easily lose your grip and drop an expensive piece down the drain. If you need to use your sink, plug the drain or put your jewelry in a fine mesh strainer to keep it from getting lost. Number 5. Dry your gold jewelry with a lint-free microfiber cloth. What people don't realize is that gold scratches extremely easily, says jewelry professional Nicole Wegman. In fact, gold is so soft that a paper towel is actually abrasive enough to scratch it, she explains. To avoid damaging your jewelry, use a soft microfiber cloth or an old t-shirt to gently pat it dry, and avoid using paper towels or tissues. Once your jewelry is dry, it's ready to wear or be put away in a safe place. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning with commercial gold cleaner or ammonia. Number 1. Commercial gold cleaner is a great alternative to dish soap. I recommend cleaning weekly with any jewelry cleaner. It's safe on diamonds and gold, Wegner says. You want to soak it in the jewelry cleaner for a few minutes, and then you want to scrub it with the little brush that often comes with the jewelry cleaner. If you don't have one, you can just use a soft toothbrush and then rinse it under warm water. There are a few different commercial gold cleaners on the market, so be sure to follow the instructions listed on the specific product you buy. Number 2. Diluted ammonia works as well, but only for jewelry without soft gems. If your gold jewelry is free of any soft gems, you can clean it in a 1:6 ratio of ammonia and water, using a soft toothbrush to clear away any grime as needed. Rinse off the jewelry and blot it dry with a gentle cloth, and that's it. Ammonia can damage amber, pearl, and opal and is also harmful to high-porosity stones, e.g., turquoise, so if your jewelry contains these gems, avoid this cleaning method. Stick to water and dish soap instead. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. What not to use when cleaning gold jewelry. Number 1. Vinegar. You may have heard some people recommending vinegar as a cleaning solution for gold, but graduate gemologist Edward Lewand actually cautions against this. He recommends sticking to a solution of Dawn dish soap for cleaning your gold jewelry at home or taking it to a professional to be polished. Number 2. Toothpaste or baking soda. Gold can scratch very easily, so abrasive agents like toothpaste and baking soda can do more harm than good when it comes to regular jewelry maintenance. You don't want to use toothpaste, says Lewand. Again, some mild dish detergent like Dawn is perfectly fine, and a toothbrush. That'll pretty much clean it. Number 3. Harsh cleaners like chlorine bleach. Using harsh substances like chlorine bleach or acetone to clean your gold jewelry could damage the metal. These cleaning agents could also damage any gemstones that might be inlaid in your jewelry. As a result, it's usually best to stick with gentler cleaning agents like dish soap, or products specifically formulated for cleaning jewelry, like commercial gold cleaner. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 4. How often should you clean gold jewelry? Number 1. Wipe your jewelry off with a microfiber cloth after each time you wear it. Because oils from your skin or any lotions you're wearing may get on your jewelry, it's a good idea to wipe the pieces off with a soft, damp cloth whenever you take the pieces off for the day. This prevents gunk from building up on your jewelry and keeps it looking bright and shiny. Make sure to only wipe your gold jewelry off with soft, non-abrasive materials, like a microfiber cloth or an old t-shirt. Don't use rougher materials like paper towels, as they can leave scratches. Number 2. Do routine cleanings once a month to maintain your jewelry. If you notice your jewelry looks visibly dull or dingy, carve out a few minutes in your schedule each month to soak and scrub the pieces clean. Cleaning your gold jewelry on a monthly basis helps prevent the buildup of dirt and oils, so your jewelry continues to sparkle and shine. If you wear your gold jewelry more frequently, you may need to clean it twice a month to keep it looking brand new. Number 3. Take your gold to a jeweler for professional cleaning once a year. Graduate gemologist and jeweler Mark Sandler recommends taking your jewelry in to be professionally cleaned and polished on a yearly basis. First, contact the jeweler you purchased your gold jewelry from and see if they offer free cleaning or polishing services. Otherwise, search for jewelers in your area and ask how much they charge for cleaning. Some jewelers may offer free cleanings, but it will normally cost between $25-50 USD. A jeweler will be able to clean your jewelry safely, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged in the process. They may also be able to remove scratches from the surface of your jewelry. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 5. Maintaining gold jewelry. Number 1. Take off your jewelry before doing strenuous or messy activities. If you plan on exercising, swimming, doing household chores, or any activity that could get dirty, remove your jewelry to prevent damage. You should also take off gold jewelry whenever you're applying sunscreen or lotion, or if you're taking a shower, as these things can make the metal look dull or dingy. Number 2. Examine your jewelry for damage before wearing it. Before you put on your jewelry, check that the clasps are secure and undamaged, so they don't break throughout the day. If you have gold jewelry that contains gemstones, look at the stones to make sure they're not loose or wobbly. If you notice any damage or loose gems, take your jewelry to a professional for repairs. Number 3. Store your gold in a jewelry box or tarnish-resistant pouch. Whenever you're not wearing your jewelry, place it inside a protective box or pouch to keep it free from dust and dirt. Lined boxes or pouches also prevent the jewelry from getting scratched or damaged if they're jostled around, so they're perfect for making your gold pieces last. Avoid stacking gold jewelry on top of each other because they could chip or scratch one another. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.